Welcome to our software training session. After your general agent has shown you how to download the software, you should see an icon showing Maps in your computer. Double-click on the icon and you should be taken to the first page of the software. We will now show you how to unblock the program so you can see all available policies. Now you will select the top tab, Agent. Then select Business Rules Update. A new pop-up window will show. You will need to enter the encrypted code, Founders. Click OK and the software will advise you to restart the program. Go ahead and do that. Once you restart the program, you will be taken to the same page. You need to add a client. It will ask for last name and first name. Click OK. You will have to input the information about your client. It is important to input the date of birth if possible. LS2 works with age last birthday. Founders 2 works with nearest birthday. To avoid any confusion, input the date of birth every time. This page will let you input all the client information: age, sex, smoker or non-smoker. On coverage information, you will select Life Solutions 2. We will work with LS2 first. Plan face is the amount of insurance. Remember that our policies are flexible. We like to insure the complete amount of the mortgage, but in reality, the coverage amount can be any amount from $25,000 up to $5 million. Ratings. You will add a table rating if necessary. These tables are given by our underwriters. You must call our underwriting team and provide the medical information in order to get this table. Note, standard rating means there is no table added to client. Next step, select Writers A tab. Writers A. LS2 has many writers. You must select them if you're going to price them. ADB stands for Accidental Death Benefit. We do not sell accidental death benefit. Child writer must be selected if you are showing it to the client. However, this is optional. As a sales technique, if you do not know if the client might be interested in this benefit, you can always add it after the policy gets approved. Usually the child writer has an extra cost of $8 to $12. That includes all children. Waiver of premium. Waives the premium in case of disability. This must be selected to all clients 55 and under. Disability is never priced in our software, since we do not know if the client has the benefit through his job. You can always add upon delivery of the policy. Now we move and select Premiums tab. On this tab, you will select the 3 pricing options we show our clients. Remember to verify the interest rates. For LS2, it should be 4.25%. The rate gets declared by Hartford and you will be notified when to change it. Now you will select the following options. Return of premium defaults at 30 years. This is our first option when we price the policy. After selecting, you will go to the Summary tab to obtain the monthly premium. You will see this in the next slide. You will have to come back to this tab to get the half ROP or 50% cash value and the length of plan or 0% cash value. You have to input 30 for the number of years. Note, on the bottom of this page, you will see years to pay premium. You must leave it blank. Final page, Summary tab. Here you will select the price you want to show the client. On the left, you will select either A option, level policy, or E option, level for 10 years, then decreasing. Our E policy was designed for a typical 30-year mortgage. On the middle of the page, you will need to select 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20 years. Your general agent has already explained why we do not mention the move-up options to the client. After selecting the death benefit and move-up, you will click Calculate Premium. This will give you all the pricing options you selected. For this example, the top price, or 100% cash value, premium ranges from $28.91 to $51.67. You select the premium you want to show. We always round up. The best price in this example is $40, which is E death benefit with a 10-year move-up option. This is also $40 commission, meaning fully commissionable. Now you need to go back to Premium and select Half ROP and come back to Summary and do this one more time. It is the same for length of plan. Founders 2 is easier to run. It offers more premium classes. Be careful, we never quote the Preferred Plus nor Preferred. Always quote Standard for either nicotine user or non-nicotine user. You will select Hartford Bicentennial Founders 2, which is the last option under Plan. When applicable, on the Writers tab, you need to select Waiver of Specified Amount, which will waive the premium in case of a disability. The cutoff age is 60. You can also select Child Insurance, which is up to $10,000 per child, and Accelerated Death Benefit, which is a free rider. All policies should offer the Accelerated Death Benefit. Note: Founders 2 does not offer disability income rider nor unemployment waiver. On the Premiums tab, verify the interest rate. It is currently 4.75%. Here you will select Return of Premium, or ROP. Then move to Summary page, which will be illustrated in the next slide. After getting the price, you will come back to this Premium tab and select Half ROP, and one more time, go to Length of Plan. Remember that we use 30 years for all premium options. You can use any number of years from 10 up to 30 on the length of plan option only. On Summary, Founders is easier because it only gives you one price. Select Monthly. Select A level under Death Benefit option, and click on Calculate Premium. The premium on top is a monthly premium. The bottom number is a commissionable number. In this example, the premium is $48, and the commission will be $46. The L87 means that the policy will lapse when the client turns 87 years old. Now go back to Premium and do the same for the other two options, Half ROP and Length of Plan. To get an illustration, you could click on the premium number, in this case 4701, that will create an illustration.